Hey, so this is part 2 in my Women's Travel Fest unboxing video, or actually it's an unbagging video because it came in a bag. However, I took a while because there is actually a box involved. I had to wait for this box to get delivered. But let me catch you up. So this is part 2. In my first video, I shared the general bag that everybody got that attended the conference. This is their VIP bag. It cost about like $200 more for the VIP bag, and it comes with $200 worth of goodies. So we're going to check out and see what the goodies are, and I would love your feedback. If you think something was amazing they gave, let me know in the comments. If there's something that you think was really stupid, feel free to let me know in the comments as well. So let's go ahead and we're gonna jump into this bag. So first thing is, this bag doesn't look as pretty as the main bag, which this is the main bag, very nice and shiny. This one's a lot smaller, but it is a branded bag as well. So let's go ahead and see what's included. The first thing is definitely the biggest item, which is kind of sticking out of the top, which is packing cubes. These are from Compass Rose is the name of the company, and I'm gonna open them up so we can check them out. So this is a general information card that helps you figure out kind of what you could pack in different things, and they give you an example on the card too. When it comes to traveling, I've sometimes used packing cubes and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I actually just use like clear bags. That seems to work extremely well for me compared to packing cubes. So I do appreciate that I've got some of these. I think I'm going to give it a try. I don't know if it's going to change my personal packing style. However, so they've got 4 of them included in here. They're pretty small, about like an inch to 2 inch in depth. So these actually would fit in my backpack. Even the width is probably about 14 inches. So it's worth a try. Something that I do see that's kind of cool is that they do actually have hangers on them. So if I wanted to like carry some stuff with me into the restroom, it's actually kind of built for carrying and moving stuff. So I think these are better than packing cubes that I've normally seen. However, in total disclosure, I normally don't use packing cubes, but I'm definitely going to give these a try. Next thing that's in here is also another pretty big item. So this is a travel scarf, and it is by the Wrap Up Company, I guess, or I think that's the name of it, or at least the scarf is a Wrap Up scarf. So let me open this up. It is extremely, extremely smooth. It's a bit of like a grayish color. It might look a little bit black, but it is more of a dark gray. And if I can get that out, we'll see how big it is. There's no like fringed corners on it or anything. It is extremely soft, almost like, I want to say like almost like pajama material. So I'm definitely going to use this. I use travel scarves all the time, and this one is huge. So definitely this is going to be a great item for me. It's also extremely light, so while it's kind of big, like it does fold up pretty quick. Like I can see it's going to take up not too much room in my backpack, especially when I fold it more properly, but it's extremely soft. So I think I can definitely use this as like a blanket, a towel if needed. I think even like a pillow on the airplane. Definitely this was a fantastic item that they included. I'm very excited about this one. Then this book I actually already have. So I've attended the Travel Fest before, and they have had this book. So this is 50 Essential Items for Female Travelers, and it just has different pages with different ideas on items to pack. There's no like discount codes or anything like that in here. It's literally just pictures of items and descriptions on why it's important. I'm very picky about what I take with me on my travels, so I did look at this the first time I got it. I think I picked out like 1 or 2 things to incorporate, but I think it's definitely a nice addition, especially for somebody that's looking to start traveling, to be able to know what types of items are out there. Then we have some more handy wipes. So the general bag included like 3 samples, so this one is an entire pack that they have. And I think probably the pack might come with me on my travels, the smaller ones in my car, just knowing like where do I go more often. But I know that those are definitely going to get used. Anytime like I go on an airplane, I always use any like hand wipes or sanitizing wipes, just because I'm a bit of a germaphobe. So those are definitely going to get used. Then here we have a Bali Balm, which is cinnamon and burnt orange flavor. I don't use lip balm too much. I'm going to try and open this so we could just see how big of a sample it is. So that's the size. So it's a pretty decent size. It's definitely a sample size, but it's definitely a worthwhile size. So I'm going to give this a try. I like the idea of it having like the orange smell. I'm not sure on the cinnamon's like smell. That's really not my type of scent, but I'm going to give it a try. It's going to come with me on my next trip. And we still have a few more things that are included in here. This is one of the things I was most excited about. It's from a company called Nomad Lane, and it's actually a piece of jewelry. So it comes in this cute little box, and they make travel themed jewelry. So this one actually has a suitcase, and I'm going to take it out. After I heard that they were going to be putting in an item into the swag bags, I stalked out their website, and definitely they have so many cute ones. I don't think I saw the suitcase when I looked. But that's what it looks like. So definitely a very cute suitcase. I really like the chain it comes on. Like, I'm not sure how well it's going to show on the video. However, it is extremely sparkly. The suitcase, it has a couple destinations listed on it. So it's got New York, Paris, and Tokyo. Definitely a cute little item. I'm going to probably check out more stuff that they have as well, just because I was so impressed with their entire website. So this is very cute. I think I'll wear it sporadically. I'm not sure like a suitcase is really like my calling, but what do we think? It's cute. I think unless if you're close enough, you don't really know what it is. And then once you're close enough, being able to know it's a travel necklace kind of makes it more special. Then we also have, let's see, this is from the Traveler's Maven, or Travel Maven, and it's a 15% off coupon. The code is Travel Maven. However, I just realized it actually expired at the beginning of this month. I'm about 2 months late on making this video, so it is what it is. But I'm going to check it out. So they've got some like clothing type of products. So again, that company is called Travel Maven. And so we're down to the last couple items. Actually they all kind of go together. So like I said, I had to wait to make this because I was waiting on this box. So what they included, which I thought was a really cool customization, was you were able to get a free pair of shoes. You entered in a code. And so here what they have is, let's see. So they actually come with some seeds, but then you also get to pick out your shoes. So you, when you logged on, they had a special code that you could go on and you would order whatever size you wanted and style. The company is called Jibs. And I will admit, I have tried on the shoes already, but I did kind of put it back together to show everyone. So it comes with an information card. And these were the shoes that I picked out. They look huge on camera. I am a size 10 in shoes, but I'm going to admit it actually is kind of too small. I'm going to give these shoes to my mom, and hopefully they fit her instead. It's a size 8 men's, 10 women's. There was a couple of patterns I wanted, and I kept stalking the website, and they just didn't become in stock. So I ended up going with this one, figuring it's a black basic. I do like the design, and if I take out the stuffing in it, you can see like it is see-through, and I feel like you could kind of dress it up, dress it down. It's pretty lightweight as well. It is soft on the inside. This is more of a corky type of material. However, it's just way too tight on me. Plus, I live in flip-flops, so these shoes are a great value. I think it was an awesome item that they covered in the gift bag, just that it's something that's not going to be practical for me. However, I'm glad I got to check out another company, and like I said, hopefully they fit my mom. But that was all the VIP bag stuff. So I, on day one coming home from this, I had my VIP bag and I had my regular bag. I was carrying around a lot of stuff. I've been waiting to be able to take it out, share it with all of you, but I'm happy with most of the stuff. I think some of these items I'm definitely going to use. I definitely prefer the VIP bag over the general bag, which is kind of why they make a VIP bag. But I think in particular, the items I'm going to use most are going to be the scarf that came with it, and also the necklace. Those two are going to go into my daily routine like immediately. And some of the other items I think are going to get quite a bit of a try. I am going to give the packing cubes a try, even if it's not something that I actually use for packing. I know I've got stuff in my house that can definitely go in these, possibly putting like socks in them or something. I'm going to figure it out, but I do like the variety of them, the size of them. They seem to be good quality. These are going to get used. And then from the regular bag, this towel that I showed on my other video, like I said, it's too big for me to take on my trips, but definitely this is going to go out to my patio, be a part of my summer pool routine, essentially. But let me know in the comments what you think of the VIP box. Definitely check out the last video to see the regular bag as well. And I'm going to do more of these types of videos, so feel free to leave some comments. But thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.